Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the very powerful automations within Monday.com. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Monday.com, and right over here on our dashboard you can see that there are lots of things going on here, but what we want to look at is right over here at the top. It says automate. Now what you can essentially do is automate basically anything within Monday.com, right? So there are two ways of doing this. You can click on create here and you can create from scratch. This means literally there is nothing there. You have to create everything. Also, there are some little templates over here, but then if you go down over here, there are recommended templates for, say, perhaps Gmail, Google Calendar, Outlook. You can go down here. There are some productivity templates, and there are some date templates. You can see that there are tons of templates that you can start with. Now, if you start with any one of these templates, and I'll show you in just a second, you'll be able to customize them completely. Now let's go and click on start from scratch. And here we have 3 steps. The first one is a trigger. This is what starts your automation. So let's say when an item is created, the next step is the condition. Now, the condition could be anything from when a column is empty, when an item is in a group, when the status is, and then you can name the status. If whatever the condition of your trigger is, you can just add that in over there. Right, so we are creating an item, and then when this item is created with the conditions that we added, what will happen? This is now the third and final step, and this is the action. So here we can, let's just say, for example, duplicate or create group. We can also assign a label with AI. So let's just do that, for example. And then quite simply, you need to then fill in each one of these actions will have different parts that you'll need to continue to add in. So let's just say into the status priority. And let us say create automation. Now this automation has been created. You can see over here that we were just in the create section, but if you click on manage, you'll be able to see all of your automations over here. You'll be able to turn them on and off. You'll also be able to edit them and change a bunch of details about them. Now, if we are going to create and we are going to start with a template, let's say use this template over here. And once it is created, you can see every time period, and then something is created, an item is added, and then you can literally just add on to this if you would like to, and then click on create automation. You can also change all of the details within all of these automations. If you carry on down over here, you can see that there are a lot more templates. So for example, when a person is assigned to someone, create an event in Google Calendar and sync future changes from this board. Click on use template. You're going to have to now connect the appropriate apps here, in this case Google Calendar, and then you can create your automation and make any changes that you need to make within that automation before you finalize it. There we go, automations within Monday.com.